storm out there at this hour. Here's a current look at the satellite and radar. We've got a little bit of cloud cover still hanging over the downtown core. A few showers that made their way through areas like Port Rowan, even Port Dover a little bit earlier today. But conditions are clearing quite nicely and through portions of Cottage Country and around southern Georgian Bay. Don't let this fool you, though, because as the cold front continues to make its way across the southern portions of the province, this is where we see potential for some active weather, especially with a window today. I'm going to do a couple of different pauses here. So a window starting early this afternoon around 4 p.m. This is when I think we have our best opportunity through the 401 corridor into the GTA. Not everyone is going to get a storm, but this is when it's most likely for us. It follows us into the early part of the evening hours too. This particular forecast radar not picking it up all that much, but I just want you to be aware because much like other times this week, there's potential for thunder, lightning, and heavy downpours, not to mention some pretty strong winds. As the evening progresses, though, we're going to see conditions improve, clear out through the overnight hours too, and then there's Saturday. It's looking great, isn't it? Not much to show you as we make our way into the day on Sunday either. The big change, in addition to the fact that it's going to be a dry weekend, is the fact that it is going to be a little bit cooler. More on that in just a moment. Let's update you on Fred. This is what we've been tracking for a couple of days now also. Tropical depression Fred, currently, it is expected to re-strengthen back into a tropical storm, impacting Florida this week, and then look where it's headed. Yes, it will be a post-tropical low at that point, but it looks as though we could get some rain midweek next week as a result of what once was Tropical Storm Fred. Let's talk about this afternoon. 30 is our forecast daytime high, feeling more like 40. I know I sound like a broken record, but here's the change. Overnight tonight, 16 degrees is our low, much more comfortable for sleeping. And then you'll notice with our upper air pattern here that the jet stream becomes a lot more zonal. It relaxes a little bit, so we're not seeing the same kind of ridge in Western Canada. That will start to improve. And then for us, temperatures will be a little more steady, slightly below seasonal for this weekend, and then into the early part of next week, seasonal at about 26 degrees for Monday, mainly cloudy for Tuesday, and then there's the wet weather beginning Wednesday and following us into Thursday. That's your forecast for now. Nathan, over to you.
All right, thank you, Lyndsay. Still to come, some incentives aimed at getting drivers to go electric.